Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I'm very excited to share my secret on growing your toenails in just 15 days. I'm going to take you guys throughout my nail growth journey so that you can see the difference yourself. It contains very simple 2 steps. Step 1 is to prepare a toenail growth serum or a cuticle oil. For this you will need coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil or even vitamin E capsules, tea tree essential oil. Now let's prepare the serum. Take a clean empty container in which you can store the solution. Now put 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, cut open 3 vitamin E capsules and extract the oil into the container. Now also add around 3 drops of tea tree essential oil and mix everything very well. You can store this in room temperature till you finish the oil. This won't get spoiled at least for an year. Now on to the second step, which is to prepare the toenail soaking solution. For this you will need coconut oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon and salt. Now let's prepare the solution. For this you will also need a soaking tub or a basin filled with warm water enough to soak your feet in it. Now add 3 tablespoons salt into the water, followed by 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Also squeeze in a small piece of lemon and you can simply throw the lemon into the water, as you will need to use it after some time. Okay, so this is how my nails look before the treatment. Soak your feet for 5 to 10 minutes. Do this whenever you are free while watching TV or even if you are studying. Actually, this will not only help in nail growth but will also help you relax after a very long day. Now, after 5 to 10 minutes, take the lemon and gently rub it on your toenails. Lemon is a natural remedy for nail growth because of the excessive amount of vitamin C in them. They are also found to get rid of yellow nails and give it a nice shine. Apple cider vinegar is a miracle solution for weakened cuticles. It strengthens your nails. It also makes a great remedy for nail fungus and helps to grow your nail 3 times faster. Salt water and coconut oil is a simple, inexpensive and effective remedy to help your nails grow faster. Now take the feet from the water and towel dry them. Take the cuticle oil or the serum which we made earlier and gently massage onto the toenails in circular motion. Coconut oil rich in carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals which are good for nail growth. It helps to get rid of brittle nail beds and chipped nails. As a natural antifungal, coconut oil is a great remedy to get rid of nail fungus. Jojoba oil repairs the nails to give them a healthy appearance. It also revitalizes them. It provides moisture that will be sufficient to keep nails strong for an extended time. It contains great amount of vitamin E, therefore giving jojoba oil antibacterial, antioxidant and regenerative properties. Thus, jojoba oil with vitamin E for nails is a wonderful nail remedy. Now, I can't show you guys each and every day of me doing it, as then this video will be an hour long. So I decided to show you guys day 7 of my treatment day. It is the same. Prepare the soaking solution like we prepared on day 1. Soak your feet in it And guys, remember to remove any jewelries from your feet as you don't want to spoil them. Soak for 5 to 10 minutes and gently massage your toenails with lemon. Towel dry your feet and apply the nail growth serum. And one thing guys, you can apply this nail growth serum whenever you want and any number of times. Apply it in the morning, apply it after taking a shower, and also apply before going to bed. This really helps faster nail growth. Here on day 7, you can see that my nails have grown pretty much, and it also looks healthier and shinier. Now I'm going to show you the last day of my nail growth journey, day 15. As usual, prepare the soaking solution like we prepared earlier. Soak your feet in it. Soak for 5 to 10 minutes and gently massage your toenails with lemon. Towel dry your feet and apply the nail growth serum. Now this whole process not only help to grow your nails faster, but will also help to achieve that baby soft feet by removing dead skin cells. This also helps to remove any fungal infection and bad odor from the feet. Here on day 15, you can see a major difference on my nail growth. My nails have become longer and stronger than before. I can't believe how healthy and shinier it looks. You all have to try this at home. Be consistent and you will definitely see the results. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And also click on the bell button for the future video notifications. So thank you guys. Love you. Bye.